Hello guys, review tablet OPPO Pad Neo. This version 6GB memory and 128GB storage. In complementation to this device we have only a cable. Let's see this. This all complementation without charger. Okay. And now talk about device. On the front side 11.4-inch display, on this side power button, and warm buttons, speakers, stereo speakers, and Type-C cable. Device without headphones jack. Turn on. Color OS version 13.2, Android 13, Helio G99 octa-core processor, 8000 mAh battery capacity. Okay, and look Geekbench 6 results. This GPU test results and CPU test results. Okay, close this. Antutu benchmark results. Very good. And open PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Okay. Close this, open camera. Camera main 8 megapixels main camera and 8 megapixels front camera. Okay, display we have Full HD Plus. 90 Hz, this IPS LTPS display. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.